So this is a bot I just completed for one of my clients in the US. It's a Solana sniping bot. So what this bot does is it automatically snipe new tokens that have been launched on Pumpfun. Then it extract the details. So let me show you the database. So it extract details inside the database. Like this is a new token that I just got launch few seconds or few minutes ago. So if I should refresh database now, we're going to see more being stored. So you can see here condom done, all this new. Then the data will be sent to Raydium. The data will get sent to Solscan and Dexscreener. So to get like the Dexscreener URL, the peer address, the price native, the price USDT, the liquidity, the market cap, and other more details information about the token. So then using all these criteria, like the number of orders the token is having, the market cap of the token, the price, the liquidity, and other stuff like that, the time it's being created, the bot is going to decide which token to snipe and which token not to snipe. So this is actually a fun project which I actually work on.